my prettiest pamangkin.
Wait, I will put a song.
Ready?
Wait, baby.
It's okay.
You say something, bebe.
Ayan, nire-ready lang namin yung ano niya, yung kanyang -1.
You still want to see, to look? Or no need?
Habang naghihintay tayo ng food, ito muna ang ating mga ano. Okay na? Let's all clap our hands for
Okay.
Jaira.
Malakas na. Oo.
Look at the stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here, you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got woods and wonders galore. You want your balls? I got plenty. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are.
You sing to
I
her.
wanna see when I see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping and dancing, strolling along down now. How's it again? Streets, upward they walk, upward they run, upward they stay all day until sun. Wandering free, wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? That's all land. They understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Right young woman, sick of swimming, ready to stand and ready to know what's up. You know, ask them my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and what's it whispered? Burn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore above? Wish I could be part of that world.
Everyone, clap your hands. Thank you. Thank you, and you say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy.